With this 4-week Instagram strategy that I'm about to share with you guys, you'll be able to scale any OnlyFans account to $50,000 or more per month as long as you follow this guide and do it on a very large scale basis. I'm about to tell you the secrets that only the biggest OnlyFans creators out there know, like JellyBeanBrainss, for example, who used this strategy when her and her team were initially growing her account. So this is going to be a full A to Z guide that you can follow to a T to bring you the traffic and results that you're looking for your clients. So let's go. So the method I'm going to be talking about here is a very specific mother-slave Instagram follow and reposting method. Make sure you stay to the end of this video as well for the full step-by-step process, but I'm going to start out by summarizing this strategy first. Notice that I didn't mention unfollow there either, and that's because you're not going to be doing any unfollowing at all with this method. Here, let me explain. The idea behind this method is that you mass create backup accounts or slave accounts, which will act as your slave accounts. These slave accounts will follow other users who are preferably following other followers and people who interact with other creators within your creator's niche. These accounts will also interact with these people's content and repost content that the mother page already posts every single day, which allows these backup accounts to do all of the heavy lifting of manually getting eyes on your creator's content. The idea is to attract attention to these slave accounts, which then direct traffic to your main account, the mother account, if you will. By doing this, you're keeping the mother account healthy and safe because mass following accounts is always going to have the potential to alert IG spam alarms, but you're still getting the results since your goal is to funnel to the mother page anyway. Also, since you don't really give a shit about these slave account follower ratios or anything, you don't have to unfollow anyone either, which allows you to bypass the problems that come with unfollowing accounts, like follow restrictions and flagged accounts, for example. Now here's the part where you make money. Just making a couple of these accounts and doing this for like 4 or 5 accounts literally isn't gonna get you anywhere where you wanna be. You have to scale this up to hundreds of accounts. So let me tell you how to do that and also explain the overall creation and process associated with these accounts. But first, I wanna pull up an example of another creator who did this, who I mentioned a little bit earlier in the intro of this video, JellyBeanBrainss. All right, so check it out, guys. So if you've been in this industry or if you've ever even been on fucking OnlyFans, you know who this is, right? This is a girl who is known for content where she's doing TikTok dances on supercars or just fucking them up, like fucking up Ferraris and Lamborghinis and Cybertrucks and shit. And she's obviously super loaded now, so she makes that type of content and then just instantly goes viral, so she doesn't have to really worry about any other ways to make money because she's just absolutely crushing it now. But there was a time where she wasn't doing this type of content, and one of the things that she did was she was doing this mother-slave method that I was talking about, like a variation of it. And so if you check it out, so look at this. So if you search up her name, check it out. All these fucking accounts. Lots of backup accounts. And I know some of these are fan pages too, because she's big now, but a lot of them are backup accounts. And this should be your goal. You should be scaling this out to get as many backup accounts as possible so that you can promote this content as much as possible and get huge. This is literally what she did. She used these methods and made a bunch of money, like a base amount of money, got really big, and then she started making this crazy content. And this should be your goal as well with your clients. But let's talk about the actual week-to-week setup and daily processes that come with this method. I'm gonna keep this pretty simple and just talk about the setup of a single account, but you'll essentially copy and paste this hundreds of times with VAs and new accounts. For starters, you will need to either purchase an aged Instagram account, and I can give you a marketplace to buy this, just DM me on Insta or Telegram, or you can just create a brand new Instagram account using a aged Gmail account, which I can also provide the contact for as well. When setting up the account though, set the name and username of the page to resemble the main or mother account's username in some way. So for example, if the mother Instagram is JellyBeanBrainss, the slave accounts should be JellyBeanBrainss.xo1 and then JellyBeanBrainss.xo2 and so on. Once the account is created, you'll then edit the bio and tag the mother or main account's @ something simple like follow my main with the emoji arrow pointing to the @ of the mother page. You'll then add a profile picture, something relatively enticing, because that's what these fans will see when you follow them. So it needs to be a decent quality photo. Then you should post 9 posts on the slave page, each with a caption tagging the main account as well, with a CTA of follow my main with the mains at. Once all this is done, usually we wait about a day before we start doing the day-to-day and week-to-week stuff. It's really, really important to slowly raise daily activity and not to go super aggressive at first. Because if you do, Instagram will permanently restrict your accounts from following, and it'll also restrict your posts from being shown to audiences. Now for day 1, and week 1 for that matter, you're gonna wanna simply do 2 things. First, you're going to want to repost the latest reel or post from the mother page to the slave page's story. This is very, very simple. Stories offer another funnel and another way for people to convert to the main page because they first see the story when they first get followed by the slave page. And they also make the account look much more real as an added bonus. And then the second thing you're going to want to do is go to the pages of other creators within your creator's niche and follow roughly 10 accounts that are engaging with their content, like they're either liking or commenting on their content. Literally, all you have to do is just go to the page, take the likes or comments and follow these people as quickly as possible. Make sure they're men and see if they're commenting or if they're liking their posts. And this literally takes 5 minutes per day. Then for week 2, you do this exact same thing, but then the only difference is that you increase the follows to about 25 per day or so. And then for week 3, then you increase things to 50 or 60 follows per day. And then finally for week 4, you increase it to 100 per day. And then you just continue to do that for as long as Instagram lets you. It is absolutely essential that these accounts do not go crazy with the daily follows either though, or it will get limited. But just think about it. Once you get to the stage where you have, let's say you have 100 accounts doing this every single day, you're literally following 10,000 people per day, all funneling to your mother page Instagram and then your OnlyFans that you're managing. Let's talk a little bit about the logistics of running this operation though. You should have a lead VA who works as the quarterback for all of this, provides photos for all the accounts that the other VAs are using, provides the accounts within your creator's niche to follow followers of, provide instruction, checks on work daily by asking for all VAs to send screenshots of their accounts, answers questions, and hires additional VAs to do this. If you try and play this role yourself, you're going to get extremely exhausted very, very fast, and you'll burn out, especially when you have 20, 30, 50, 100 fucking VAs doing this and asking you questions and sending you proof of work every single day. Also, this needs to be done via mobile phones. It cannot be done through the browser. And each VA can have up to 7 Instagram accounts per phone that they own. We pay 25 cents per account per day after confirming, of course, that the tasks were completed. And the lead VA should fully facilitate the setup of each account and should have access to a surplus of content from your models that he or she can provide your other VAs who are doing this. But that's pretty much it, guys. Your goal with this strategy should be to grow this so that there are hundreds and hundreds of accounts doing this every single day. Once you get to that point, you'll have built yourself a machine that is generating hundreds and even thousands of new followers and fans on OnlyFans every single day. Then just crush it with your chatting, and the next thing you know, you and your client are making that life-changing money that you're looking for. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit me up for my free Telegram community as well. We're pretty much talking about value at all times on there. But other than that, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm out, y'all.